Is your automatic car silently begging for help while you drive it into destruction without a clue? Most drivers have no idea. Over 90% of them are slowly wrecking their transmissions and burning through cash without ever realizing the damage, until it's too late. Today, we're exposing 19 mistakes you should never make in an automatic car, plus one crucial bonus tip at the end that could save you from a repair nightmare worth thousands. Let's kick off with a mistake that's secretly slaughtering your transmission, and you've probably done it this week.
Number 19. Shifting while rolling. Ever switched from reverse to drive without coming to a full stop? Yeah, we all have. It feels harmless, a quick little shortcut. But under your hood, it's chaos. Think of it like sprinting forward and suddenly trying to leap backward without stopping. Your knees would buckle, right? That's exactly what your car's transmission experiences. It slams against your momentum, wrecking the CV joints and stressing the entire drivetrain. It won't explode the first time, but do it enough. You're on a fast track to a full transmission failure, and those repairs, not pretty, not cheap. The fix. Take that one extra second, come to a full stop before changing directions. It's not just smart, it's protective. Number 18. Shifting to neutral at stoplights. Someone probably told you this saves fuel. Guess what? They were wrong. This hack actually hurts your car. Each shift into neutral and back into drive stresses your transmission's bushings and linkages, like flicking a light switch 100 times a day. Small stress now, big breakdown later. And the fuel savings? Virtually zero. Worse, when that light turns green, you're slower to react, putting yourself and others at risk. Just leave it and drive. Simple, smooth, safer. That's how you treat a transmission with respect. Number 17. Driving on low fuel. You might think running close to E is a harmless game. It's not. It's Russian roulette with your fuel system. Automatic cars rely on gasoline not just to run, but to cool and lubricate the fuel pump. Low levels expose it to air, heat, and eventual failure. And when your pump overheats, it's not a cheap fix. That's not all. Dirt and sludge settle at the bottom of your tank. Running low stirs it up, pushing debris through your fuel lines and injectors. That's when things really start to clog and fail. Worse still, your car might stall unexpectedly, especially during a shift. Keep your tank at least a quarter full. Your engine and wallet will thank you. Number 16. Letting water into your transmission. Water in your transmission is like acid in your veins. Even a little can destroy everything. Whether it sneaks in through deep puddles, floods, or a faulty radiator, water turns your transmission fluid into goop. Clutch plates soak, metal rusts, and performance nosedives. The result? A complete rebuild or worse. Watch for signs, milky fluid, leaks, or odd behavior after rain. And never drive through floodwaters unless you're ready to pay the price. Number 15. Shifting into park while moving. It feels like a gentle roll into the spot. You're barely moving, right? But the moment you hit park, a tiny metal pin tries to lock your wheels. And if your car is still moving, that pin gets shredded. That grinding noise, it's your car screaming. Damage the parking pal and your car might not stay parked next time. Or worse, that metal shrapnel could contaminate your entire transmission. Full stop first, always. 1 second now saves thousands later. Number 14. Coasting in neutral downhill. It sounds smart, let gravity do the work and save gas. But the truth, you're playing with fire. In neutral, you lose engine braking. That means your brakes take all the heat on long descents. And overheated brakes stop working. Modern cars, they actually use less fuel while coasting in gear than in neutral. So not only is it dangerous, it's a fuel-wasting myth. Stay in gear. Let your car help you slow down. You'll feel more in control and your brakes will last longer. 13. Launching from neutral, like a racer. Revving at a red light, then slamming into drive. It looks cool in movies, but in real life, it's a transmission's worst nightmare. That sudden jolt overheats your torque-quake converter and rapidly breaks down your transmission fluid. Eventually, things slip, stutter, and die. Smooth acceleration is smarter. You're not racing, you're protecting your ride. Number 12. Driving with both feet, one on gas, one on brake. It sounds strategic, but in practice, it's dangerous. In a panic, you might slam both, sending mixed signals to your car and causing an accident. Worse, resting your foot on the brake wears down the pads slowly, silently, and constantly. Automatic cars are built for one foot. Keep it that way. Number 11. Only using drive mode. If you only use D, you're missing out. Your car has more to offer. Need extra traction in rain? Snow mode. Power for a pass. Sport mode. Control on a hill. Manual mode. Using the right mode extends your car's life, saves fuel, and gives you more control when it counts. 10. Skipping. Warm-ups in cold weather. Cold mornings. You hop in, start the car, and drive. But your transmission fluid is thick and sluggish, unable to properly protect your gears. Driving too soon wears things down fast. Wait 30 seconds, let things warm up. It's a tiny delay that prevents huge repairs. Number 9. Using the wrong transmission. It's fluid. All fluids are not the same, and using the wrong one is like giving your car the wrong blood type. Poor lubrication, slipping gears, and eventual failure, plus avoided warranty. That cheap fluid just got really expensive. Read your manual, use the exact fluid your car needs, always. Number 8. Ignoring creep mode. That slow roll when you lift off the brake. It's designed to help in traffic and parking, but if you ignore it and constantly ride the brake instead, you wear out your pads fast and confuse your car's systems. Use creep mode, trust it. It's smoother, safer, and smarter. 7. Overloading. When towing pulling more than your car is meant to, you're asking your transmission to overheat and fail. Every pound over the limit turns fluid into fire and stress into damage. Know your tow limits, respect them, or be ready to break down on the side of the road. Number 6. Cruise control in bad conditions rain. Snow, ice. Cruise control doesn't care, it just keeps going. But that's the danger. It won't slow down when you need it to, and the more you rely on it, the more distracted you become. Manual control is safety. Save cruise control for clear highways only. Number 5. Too many short trips. Quick trips might seem innocent, but they don't give your car enough time to warm up. That means contaminated oil, moisture in your exhaust, and increased wear on your transmission. Take longer drives sometimes. Let your car stretch its legs and breathe. Number 4. Starting in the wrong gear. If your car ever starts in gear, drive, or reverse, you've got a serious issue. You risk lurching forward or backward unexpectedly and damaging the transmission with every start. Always start in park. If it doesn't stop you, something's broken. Fix it. Number 3. Overusing sport mode. It's fun until it isn't. Sport mode keeps your engine running hot and fast. That means more fuel burned, more wear on parts, and a rougher ride in traffic. Use it when needed, not constantly. Let your car rest. 2. Misusing manual mode. Manual mode gives control, but only if you know how to use it. Holding gears too long overheats the engine. Shifting too early bogs it down. Mistakes in manual mode cost real money. Learn the timing. Watch your RPMs. Or risk a breakdown no one saw coming. The final one is resting your hand on the gear stick. It seems harmless, but it reduces your steering control and puts weight on the shifter, wearing down components over time. And if you accidentally shift while driving, that's not a mistake you want to make at speed. Keep both hands on the wheel. Your transmission and your reflexes will work better. Bonus tip: never ignore early signs. Weird smells, delayed shifts, strange noises. These are whispers before the scream. Catch issues early, and your transmission could last years longer. If you made it this far, you just saved yourself thousands. Tap that button to subscribe for more car-saving tips, and keep your ride running strong, smooth, and smart.